Hello techies, this is CompTIA Lab 14.4.9 and we're going to configure the boot order. So in this lab, your task is to access the computer's BIOS settings, disable booting from the diskette drive, configure the remaining devices to boot using the following boot order. So we'll start with internal HDD, then CD, DVD, CD-ROM drive, onboard NIC, USB storage. When you are done configuring the settings, exit the BIOS and boot the computer. To access the BIOS settings, turn on the computer before the operating system loads. Press delete or F2 on your keyboard. So let's go ahead and start up. We'll turn on the computer by pressing the power button, and we are now inside the BIOS. So let's go ahead and change the boot sequence. So we have to start with internal HDD, disable booting from the diskette, and okay, so this start with internal HDD. We'll move this up, followed by CD DVD, followed by onboard NIC, move it one more, and then followed by USB storage. Okay, and for the diskette, we have to disable the diskettes. So let's go over here and uncheck diskette drive. So diskette drive is no longer available. So let's go ahead and see how we do. So wait for it to boot into Windows. Right, so we are now in Windows. Let's go ahead and check our answers. Everything is correct. If you find this video to be helpful, like and subscribe. Consider joining my professional membership for extra help. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.